Yo, welcome back to the channel. So basically what we're going to be doing is adding a little bit more flavor to the melody. So really it's just those two parts, but we're going to add just a little bit more. The first thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go over to FX and kind of mess around with this flute that I have. Same thing I'm going to do here with this extra sound that I have. I do like this kind of like noisy tone sound. I'm gonna pitch all this down and see how it sounds. So now we're gonna go over to adding some more effects here in the mixer and open up some fruity chorus. I'm gonna open up some vintage chorus. I'm gonna throw in some reverb. And last but not least, some fruity delay. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.